Hi, good day and good morning. So today I will discuss the COBIT architecture principle. So I will create another video for the components and user for COBIT. So by the way, COBIT is part of IT project management framework process. So usually this architecture similar to ITIL and TOGAP are used by the organization to make the IT management are aligned in synchronized process for governance and enterprise infrastructure. So can we start now? So let's start. There are six principal stakeholder value, politics approach, governance system, segregate governance from management, enterprise needs, and then governance system. So let's go to stakeholder value. Stakeholder value there are four uh, main principle in this one, or four main tasks for the stakeholder value. So guide stakeholder values include guiding principle, benefits, risk and resource, focus on stakeholder needs. So uh, four four principle is used to create um, government guidelines for organizations that include this principle, benefits, risk, and resources that based on the needs of the stakeholder. Is that clear? So it means all these guiding principle, benefits, risks, and resources and needs of stakeholder are included in this stakeholder guidelines. So it's a similar like a protocol that need to follow by organizations. Second, holistic approach. Holistic approach is a process as a whole and address its needs accordingly. So it means it's a process of whole process a whole enterprise and address its or and address its um, stakeholder needs accordingly. So it depends on the client's needs or the organization needs. They process as whole enterprise holistic approach. Then government system, change in strategy or technology, flexibility to respond to expected challenges. Sustainability principle, the dynamic, also government, I call it dynamic government system or something they call dynamic government system. It's a strategy, it's a principle that focus on uh, uh, in up to date, up to date latest changes in technology infrastructure of organizations. So there must be a flexibility to respond in unexpected challenges. For example, your system's legacy. You need to agree to a new version of the system. That's a function of the governance system, dynamic government system. So you must have a change in strategy, in technology, based on flexibility, on unexpected challenge on daily, in monthly basis or daily basis of organization uh, flow process. Segregate government from management. So it's some there are two areas of purposes of segregate of governance of some from management is responsibility and activity. Responsibility is evaluate needs of stakeholder and prioritize objective. Evaluate means uh, ask or survey or compile all the needs and objective of the stakeholder. Then prioritize the main purpose or the main objective. The second activity, monitor organization activities align in proper governance. So monitor the company activities align with the proper guidelines on way back to one stakeholder value. That's right. This second purpose is monitor organization activity or company activity, align or it means align or are rule align in rule in proper government value. The proper stakeholder value. Align it means uh, s- follow the rule of the stakeholder value, which is this one: principle, benefits, and resources based on needs of the stakeholder. Okay. Then after that is uh, enterprise needs. Yeah, enterprise needs adapt government system according to its needs and character. Ensure government is maintained. So they will adapt the governance system according their characteristics and their needs. This means they will adapt the principle based on the character of the stakeholder and their needs. What is important, what the priorities, what the challenges, what the risks and the principle that will be adapt and the characteristic need to be taken from the stakeholder or the uh, characteristic or components that need to be adapted in a organization that need by the stakeholder or client. Ensure government is maintained. This principle will be maintained. It means the government system principle will be maintained and it will be organized synchronously. Then the last one, end-to-end government system. End-to-end government system compose all IT enterprise functions. It means they will compile all IT functions into one package as framework. So it aligns in governance management activities. Use the COBIT framework as one direction. So this will be end to end. It means the from whole process from stake value under enterprise needs. So this will be the consolidation or the compilation of the principle, and it will combine as IT management activities and use as uh, organized framework as one direction. It means one direction. It means need to follow. It's mandatory. It need to follow by the organization. Implement by the organization. Implement by the IT management department. Or within IT management, it's overall IT. Developers, network system admin, blah blah blah, etc. So that's all. If you have questions in IT in COVID principle, just email me in kpam235@mail.com. Then on my next video, I will create a video, create a video for COVID uh, components and COVID user. Thank you and good day.